Guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bull Channel with your host William, and today we are shifting gears. That's right, we talk about crypto and what's trending in crypto a lot lately, but today we're going to focus on a specific type of stuff, and that is prediction markets. Guys, you're not buying a company like a stock, you're buying a contract that pays out based on whether an event even happens. And here's what I'm talking about. Guys, a market is created around a question like, will Bitcoin be above 100K by December 31st? Or something like, will candidate X win? Well, there are usually two outcomes, and that is yes and or no. A yes share pays $1, and if yes happens, that's what you get. And $0 if it doesn't. So no shares are exactly the opposite. Because the payout is fixed, the price becomes the crowd's probability. And here's an example. If yes trades at like $0.63 or 63 cents, the market is basically saying you have a 63% chance. And guys, this is why it's blowing up in our sphere. It turns news into a real-time odds board that updates instantly as information hits the world. And unlike polls, it's money weighted. People who are confident can back their view and the price moves. Key concept people miss usually, and that is you can often exit early. If you bought yes at say 40 cents and it moves to 70 cents, you can sell. You don't necessarily have to wait for the final settlement. The catch is everything depends on clear rules and settlement, who decides what counts as yes and no, what sources are used, and how disputes work. And guys, liquidity matters. Thin markets can swing pretty freaking hard. And access can be restricted depending on region and or regulations, just like anything in crypto. So let's talk a little bit about Polymarket today. All right, so flying over yonder. Whoosh, here we go. All right, guys. So, like I was saying, this is Polymarket. This is their page, and prediction markets are having a moment, like I was saying, and we're jumping on that moment. And Polymarket, it's the name I keep seeing pretty much everywhere. It's not financial advice from me, just education. And let me explain what that is. I am not a financial advisor. Never have been, never claim to be, never ever will claim to be. So if that's why you're here, you are in the wrong place. Remember, if you've been watching these videos down in the description, that is where all the goods are, like the link to Polymarket and everything we have to say about it. That's where you're going to find it. Down there is a like button, a subscribe button, and a notification bell. Please hit that subscribe button, whether you've been with us for a while and you haven't done so, or you're new to the channel and you just want to click it because that's what you should do. You also want to hit that notification bell so anything we're talking about that's trending, you get notified immediately and you can see that video when it matters. If you like what you see at the end, hit that like button. That being said, here's the quick breakdown. So, prediction markets explain. There are types, uses, and real-world examples. The definition of prediction market is where individuals trade contracts based on outcomes of unknown future events, just like I said. This is just an example of what I was talking about earlier, guys. So again, links are in the description. This is going to explain to you exactly what is a prediction market. Key takeaways. I went over most of these, so I definitely recommend you deep dive this link. It is Investopedia. On Polymarket, guys, you buy and sell yes and no, like I said. Shares priced between $0 and $1 in USDC. That price is the crowd's live probability. And if yes is 63 cents, the market is saying about a 63% chance. And every yes and no pair is fully collateralized by 1 USDC. And let's take a look. So this is why it spreads. It turns news into a live odds board, which makes it pretty freaking cool. You've got categories like politics, sports, crypto, tech, AI, and numbers, and they all move in real time. You can see all this stuff up here. And here's one that's really pretty interesting. Will Trump release more Epstein files by December 22nd or December 26th? You got 47% for the 22nd and 74% for the yes on the 26th, which is fascinating, which I think is cool. Go ahead and click on that. You can see that it is moving. It's now 49.82. This market will resolve to yes if Trump administration publicly releases any files pertaining to the investigation into Jeffrey Epstein. Hot subject, you'd think to say, right? You would be correct. So, and you can see there's a comment section here. Wild ride. I should have bet more because they didn't release jack shite. So everybody down here is telling you what they think about it, what's happened, and what they think should have happened. You guys can select yes 50 cents, buy, sell. You can see you can do all that good stuff. You can say no. You can do everything. So let's head on back and move right along. All right. So that's pretty cool, right? It's peer-to-peer, guys. You're not betting against the house. The other side is another user, and you can sell your shares before you even resolve. So for it even resolves. So you're not locked in until the very end. Yeah, we talked about that. We talked about that. Deep dive that if you really want to. Remember, link in the description. So here's how to read one. See, we already did, but I'm still going to reiterate because we're going to be talking about this stuff a lot. So by yes, priced in cents, that's the odds. But the real secret is the rules box. Polymarket spells out exactly what counts as yes and what counts as no, and what sources they'll use to settle it. If you don't like the rules, you skip the market. It's that simple. So here's some additional context. As per the rules, this market will resolve to yes if ByteDance announces their intention to sell TikTok. So you can see what happened here. The outcome proposed yes, disputed, and disputed no. Yeah, pretty simple. I mean, guys, it's not really hard to figure out. It says ChatGPT told me no. So there's a lot of cool stuff you can do here, and I think it's fascinating, which is why I'm telling you about it. So how to deposit. So on the plumbing side, Polymarket uses USDC and runs transactions on Polygon, which is why it can stay fast and super cheap. Depositing funds on Polymarket, this guy will walk you through it. You guys can check that out. Links in the description. Looks like there was a video, but it's gone. You can deposit with crypto exchanges. Coinbase is recommended, and all kinds of good stuff. So check that out. Definitely do your deep dive into that. You know how I am with that. I go pretty fast with this stuff, so you guys can definitely either comment below, ask me questions, and I'll try and answer them, or you can just pause the video and do your own homework. So let's move right along. So how are the prediction markets resolved? Well, when an outcome becomes pretty clear, markets resolve through the UMA optimistic oracle. UMA optimistic oracle. There's a purpose and dispute process, and once it's final, winning shares pay out $1 each. And guess what? That's right. Losing shares pay out $0 because they're losing shares. So if you propose a market too early or are unsuccessful in your proposal, you will lose all of your $750 bond. Do not propose a resolution unless you understand the process and are confident in your view. So guys, just make sure you read the rules before you get into this good stuff, because it's pretty important. You know what I'm saying? And let's do a quick reality check. So Polymarket has geographic restrictions, just like all crypto exchanges do. Their docs list block countries, including the US of A. So follow local rules and whatever the platform allows in your region. And there's been reporting about Polymarket laying groundwork for a US return, but don't actually assume access quite yet. Guys, you can also hit them up with some those old VPNs, but you didn't hear that from me. All right, so back to the old, I love the Fred decision in January, Republican presidential nominee for 2028. I mean, we got sports, we got crypto, finance, geopolitics, earnings, just tons of good stuff. Just Trump, because like he says so much crap, like there's always something to bet on there or lay your money down for. So basically, if you're new to the prediction markets, guys, like I know a lot of you are, don't worry, because we're going to be taking you on a ride here on the Crypto Bull channel. Don't think get rich. Don't think get signal. It's a money-weighted forecast engine, and Polymarket, guys, is a clean way to watch the odds update in totally real time. All right, guys, stay tuned to those prediction markets. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull channel. Definitely come back. We got some stuff for you, and we'll see you in the future. Stay awesome, stay amazing, stay classy. Peace.